Testing Architectural Aluminum Systems for AAMA 501.6. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore the testing of architectural aluminum systems with AAMA 501.6, Dynamic Racking Crescendo Test for determining glass fallout. This system was tested with the weakest glass, and then laminate glass will give you better performance. Always pay attention to the glass type that's been done in the testing. And we actually have a video of the testing so you can see the glass and the system racking back and forth. Note that the glass has cracked, so that would be recorded during the testing. You can see how the glass is moving inside the framing system. And also on the right, you can see glass fallout. So that's also recorded on the test. So that will be the opposite test. At what displacement did the glass crack and at what displacement did the glass fall out? And this is a vanilla glass. So if you did this with laminate glass, you would get different results as that layer will hold the glass in place instead of allowing it to fall out. Again, here's just some of the aftermath from the testing. So in the upper right corner, you can see the glass is starting to crack. You also see the gasket start to fall out. Basically, these tests are really just typically looking at the glass cracking, glass fallout. So the gasket beginning to fail does not have any bearings on the test. Obviously, it could enable your glass, have glass fall out sooner, but it's not a failure for the test in any way. And this is just an example of a unitized current wall system instead of a stick system, but basically it's the very exact same setup where system's still anchored to the exterior of those steel tubes, and then the bottom tube racking back and forth. Again, this is some of the aftermath from testing that unitized system. It was an SSG system. So this is one of those cases where it's very hard to use that calculation for it. It's preferred to just do the testing. And you can see in the bottom right corner here, there was some glass cracking, but there was no glass fallout during this test. And as I mentioned earlier, this test does try to replicate rear-wall installation. So, for a current wall system, you're mounted to the exterior of a slab, and then for a window wall or storefront system, you're mounted from slab to slab. So for the storefront system, it is mounted in between the steel tubes as it acts as the slab. And this is just a video of a window wall system undergoing testing. So again, it's fixed at the top steel tube, the bottom tube doing the racking. The system is in the receptor, so you can see the system racking in the receptor and the glass panels moving. But basically, same as that testing as a current wall system, just slightly different anchoring method.
That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.